Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 20. Starting out here on the Marina Boulevard beside the Safeway, you're in the middle of a very local, everyday part of the Marina district. People are shopping, cyclists roll past on the Bay Trail, and the waterfront is busy with activity. But as you continue walking west, the scene begins to change. The city noises fade, and ahead of you the path leads towards Fort Mason, a site with a very different history. This area was once a key military post for the US Army, guarding the Golden Gate and serving as a logistics hub during World War II. The old warehouses and piers here were once crowded with ships and supplies bound for the Pacific Theater. Today, the grounds have been transformed into parkland. The green lawns and tree-lined paths of what's now known as Fort Mason and its surrounding parks give the waterfront a completely different atmosphere. From the trail, you get views back towards the marina and forward across the bay, with Alcatraz and the Golden Gate Bridge anchoring the horizon. Walking into the park, the change of pace is striking. Where Marina Boulevard feels like a part of a busy city neighborhood, Fort Mason feels calmer, more spacious and laid with history. The old military buildings have been repurposed for cultural use, galleries, performance spaces, and community groups, while the open ground invites joggers, walkers, and people out enjoying the fresh air. What makes this walk special is the way it connects the different sides of San Francisco. You start at a busy commercial stretch with supermarkets and traffic, and in just a few minutes you arrive at a historic park overlooking the bay. The contrast highlights the character of the city itself, practical and modern in a moment, but historic and scenic in the next. It's a reminder that in San Francisco, you're never far from a story of the past or a view that feels timeless.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.